Welcome back to the shop. I'm John. I'm going to show you how to pair your phone to the radio. First, you want to make sure that your phone is in the Bluetooth pairing mode. You'll have to check your manual for that. Right now I'm going to show you how to do it on the radio. So we'll go ahead and press the power button right there. We'll come up here to the Bluetooth button and hold it down. It should say Bluetooth disabled. We'll hit the volume knob. It'll enable the Bluetooth. We'll scroll down to add phone. Again, we'll hit the volume knob. We'll start adding your phone, and it'll show you a PIN. And your phone may ask for that PIN to complete the pairing process. You should be good to go. I also want to point out that sometimes this microphone is covered up over here. This is for hands-free calling with your radio. So just make sure that this isn't taped up, and you should be good to go.